Hi everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn about the pie charts and how to interpret data from the pie chart and solve questions based on the data. So in this example I am taking a percentage wise distribution of lectures in 6 different subjects in a university where total number of lectures is 1600. So as you can see, zoology is having 22% lectures, chemistry is having 13% lecture, education is having 18% lecture, Hindi is having 12% lectures, mathematics is having 21%, physics is having 14% lectures. So we have to interpret this data and solve the question accordingly. So if you look at this percentage 13%, it means that the 13% part of this whole circle is covered by the chemistry, 30% area of the circle. That's how pie charts are made. Okay, now look at the questions. First question is total number of lectures both male and female in Hindi is approximately what percent of total number of female lectures in mathematics and chemistry together. Okay, so as you can see we are also provided with the ratio of males and females, so we need to make use of that ratio as well as this pie chart to get our answers. So first I'll solve these 5 questions based on this 5 chart and then we'll check our answers. So the first question is total number of lectures both male and female in Hindi, and we need to find the percentage of female lectures in mathematics and chemistry together. So if you look at this table, in Hindi we are having ratio of male to female is 1 to 3, and also in Hindi we are having 12% of lectures, so 12 into 1 divided by 4 plus 3 divided by 4, that is going to be 1 because we are considering both males and females, so it will come to be 1 because we are considering both the ratios and these are the only 2 ratios available, then it should be 1. 12% Hindi, and what percent of total female lectures in mathematics and chemistry together. So mathematics is having 21 and chemistry is having 13, but in the chemistry we are having male to female ratio 1 to 7, so 7 by 8 for chemistry, and for mathematics we are having female ratio as 4 to 3, 4 divided by 7. It will come out to be 100 divided by 4 divided by 100 into 7 plus 13 into 7 by 8 divided by. So we're going to cancel this 100 and it is 12 divided by 84 divided by 7 plus 13 into 7 by 8. This is 12 divided by 12 plus 13 into 7 by 8. So we have to solve it on a calculator, I think, to get quick results. Twelve divided by 12 plus 12 divided by 13 doesn't support bracket operation. 12 divided by 12 plus 13 into. It doesn't actually support this bracket operation, so we have to do it manually in some way. First we are solving the lower part, that is 12 plus 13 into 7 divided by 8 plus 12 23.375 12 divided by 23.375. $3.375. It is coming around 51.33% approx. 51.33% approx, and we are having option D as 51%. So the answer is option D. And moving to next question says that what is the difference between the total number of lectures, both male and female, in zoology and total number of male lectures in chemistry and education together? Okay, in zoology we are having 22% minus total number of male lectures in chemistry and education together. Only male lectures in chemistry and education together. So zoology is having 22%, both male and female, and only male lectures in chemistry and education. So chemistry is having 13%, which is while education is having 18% weightage, so it should be 22 minus 13 into, what is the male ratio in chemistry? 1:7, that is 1 divided by 8 minus, for education we are having 5:3, that is 5 divided by 8, taking it as common. 13 minus 13 plus 90, 113 divided by 8, that is 22 minus 14.1, that will come out to approximately 7.9. And 7.9, total number of lectures are 1600. Eight into 16, 128, but that is not in our option, so let's take it more precise. 7.9 into 126, that is not in our option. So the answer to this question is option E, none of these. Moving to next question. Next question is, what is the difference between number of female lecturers in zoology and number of male lecturers in Hindi? So number of female lecturers in zoology is number of female lecturers in zoology is 9 divided by 16 into 22 and the next thing is male lecturers in Hindi. In Hindi we are having 1:4 and we are having 12% weightage. So again we need to find out the difference. So it is 16 and 9 into 22 minus 48 . 18, 198 minus 48 is 150 divided by 16. 9, 136.14, 140, again 9, 9.9 into 1600. It will come out to be 160. To be more specific, let us use a calculator. 9.9 into 16. It is coming out to be 158. But to be more specific, 9.9 is very much closer to 10, so we can take it as 10 and the answer should be 160 if we follow that pattern. But first let me make sure it is, yeah, it is 9.375, not what we have expected. Oh, so 150 is coming out. Yes, we're having option C as 150, so that is the answer. 12C. 13 and 14, 2 questions are left. Total number of male lecturers in university. So again in this question we have to consider the whole pie chart and male lecturers from each of the chart. So that is 22 in zoology, and in zoology we are having a ratio of 7/16 plus chemistry, that is 13, we are having a ratio of 1/8. And education, that is 18, we are having a ratio of 5/8. We are having Hindi, we are having a ratio of 1/4. We are having mathematics, that is 21. And we are having a ratio of 3/7, and then we are having physics, and we are having a ratio of 9 divided by 14. I think all are covered. So solve this and then multiply the whole by 16 to get the actual amount of male lecturers. Why we are multiplying with 16? Because see, the total number of lecturers are 1600, and when we converted it to the percentage, we have to multiply by 1 by 100, and it is getting cancelled, so we're directly multiplying by 16 to get the exact result. Twenty-two into 7 divided by 16 plus 13 into not into, actually we can divide, but this calculator doesn't support multiple operations at a time, so we have to solve it differently. First 22 into 22 divided by 16 into 7, 8.375, 13 divided by 8, 1.625, 1.625, 18 into 5 divided by 8, that is 11.25, and the next one is 3. Obviously 12 by 4 is 3. The next one is 9. 21 by 7 into 3, it should be 9, and then we are also having one more 9, and it is 18 plus 3, it is 21, and then 12 point, actually I'll calculate these 3, 8.375 plus 1.625 plus 11.25 plus 21, that is 42.25. And then multiply it with 16. We are having 676, but that is not the option. The option is 696. I think that might be the misprint, but we are assuming that there is no misprint, so we're going with none of these for now. If it came out to be 696, then I think it should be because of the misprint. But we are sticking to the none of these for now, because we won't know until we see the answer. And the next is, what is the ratio of number of female lecturers in physics to number of male lecturers in mathematics? Physics we are having 5 to 14 divided by male lecturers in mathematics. Male in mathematics is 4 by 7, and for physics we are having 14%, and for mathematics we are having 21%, so it is getting cancelled. 3 and 5 by 12, okay, now let us look at the answer to find out the actual answers, because I'm getting 5 by 12 and that is not in the option, but none of these is another option, but I don't think it will be the case every time. So from 10 on we have to find first 10 D, it is correct. 11 C, it is not correct. 12 C, it is correct. 13 A and 14 also A. So 13 is 696. Yeah, that was a misprint. And here 5:9. Actually I was getting 5 something. Okay, wait a minute. So it has asked male lectures. Okay, so it should be 3 not 4, because that is the female condition. So 5 by 9, yeah, this one is correct. 5 by 9 A. I think this is because of the misprint that we are having. If you want, you can go through the whole video again to check whether it is a misprint or not. You can share your views in the comment. Thank you. Hope you're having a good day.